Installing the LGC-550XL compact long gun mounted light onto your firearm is quick and simple. Before I get started, a quick word about safety. Please be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety instructions for your firearm. And as always, double check to make sure that your firearm is in a safe and unloaded condition before doing any kind of work on it. As you can see, I've taken the additional precaution of removing the upper from the rest of the rifle. The first step is to install the battery into the light. Unscrew the bezel on the light and insert the included CR123 battery using the orientation mark on the side of the light. Then, reinstall the bezel. At this point, it's important that I point out a very special feature on the LGC, the battery safe mode. If you look on the side of the light near the bezel, you'll see a double-headed arrow with the words off and on. You'll also notice a laser dot etched into the bezel ring. When the dot lines up with the word off, the light will not activate. This is the battery safe mode. In this mode, the rifle can be safely transported or fired without any concern of the light coming on by accident. This is also a vital feature when needing to maintain zero light discipline. As you turn the bezel ring, you'll feel the detent, making it easy to tell when your light is in the safe mode. When you want to operate the light, simply turn the bezel ring until it stops and the dot lines up with the word on. Let's talk a second about light placement on the rifle. The most popular mounting location on the rifle is at the end of the rifle's handguard. On the rifle that I have here, I'm going to mount it in the 12 o'clock position. That way I can operate it with either my left or my right hand. That means I needed to move my front iron sight back a little bit. This only shortened my sight radius by a little bit, and thanks to the low profile design of the LGC, my front iron sight will still work perfectly. Optionally, you can mount the LGC in whatever location that works best for you. Okay, let's get this mounted. The LGC comes pre-installed with a C5 modular rail insert. The width of this insert fits perfectly in the open slots of the Picatinny rail. With the cross-tension screw fully loosened, push in on the head of the screw and rotate the light onto the Picatinny rail, making sure that the insert is fully seated in the slot. The final step is to tighten the light onto the firearm. The easiest way is to use a coin. A dime or a penny works equally well, and simply start tightening. Once it's snug, give it a little extra turn just to make sure it's fully secured. And that's it. You're ready to go. Just be sure to periodically check the insert and the cross-tension screw for tightness. If you have any questions or if we can be of any assistance, please contact our customer service department by calling 800-233-2155. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.